Hi, I'm Jacob Heiser, and today I'm going to show you how to install the PCT image and Megasizer software onto the Raspberry Pi computer. Here is a block diagram demonstrating the steps involved in downloading the image and software and writing the image to the Raspberry Pi. Step 1. Download the Raspberry Pi imager. Step 2. Download the PCT image. The image and software can be downloaded from surferbuddy.org. The image is about 1.5 gigabytes, and it can take anywhere from a minute to half an hour to download depending on your internet speed. Results may vary. Step 3. Download the Megasizer software. Step 4. Insert the microSD card into its adapter and plug it into the PC. Open the Raspberry Pi Imager software on your PC and locate the PCT Raspbian image. In the Raspberry Pi Imager, scroll to the bottom for loading a custom image. Select the correct drive to write the image to. Then click Write. Step 5. You need to insert the SD card into your Raspberry Pi, which involves unscrewing the Raspberry Pi from the display, which I've already done here. Ensure the gold contacts of the SD card are facing the circuit board. Now you're ready to power up your Raspberry Pi, and in the next video I'll show you how to assemble the Raspberry Pi with the waveshare Pi hat and how to load Megasizer onto the Raspberry Pi.